Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we will explore a vital aspect of English writing, punctuation marks. Whether you are preparing for an exam, drafting a formal document, or simply aiming to enhance your everyday communication, this video will assist you in mastering the most frequently used punctuation marks in English. Let's begin. First things first, why is punctuation so important? Imagine reading a text without periods, commas, or any other punctuation marks. It would be confusing and hard to follow, right? Punctuation adds clarity, meaning, and style to your writing. Today, we'll go through the main punctuation marks and see how they transform ordinary sentences into meaningful expressions. The period is the simplest punctuation mark, but it's powerful. It indicates a full stop, signaling the end of a sentence. Commas can be tricky, but they're essential for breaking up sentences into smaller, understandable chunks. A question mark is used to indicate a direct question. The exclamation mark uses this to show excitement, surprise, or emphasis. Colons and semicolons are often confused, but they serve distinct purposes. The apostrophe is mainly used for contractions and possession. Quotation marks are used to indicate direct speech or to quote someone's words. Parentheses are used to add extra information or an afterthought, while brackets are often used for clarifications within quoted text. Both have different uses. A dash creates emphasis or interruption, while a hyphen connects compound words.